So we have just checked into our hotel. We had this deluxe king room, king size bed, and I've added on, upgraded with another extra bed. And this is the interconnecting door if you are taking twin rooms next to each other. And you have the simple table, makeup table with a mirror, TV, yeah, and basic necessity. Now what makes me fascinated with this room is the view. Look at that. We can see the whole view of the city of Malacca. Yes, it's no longer called a town because it's been upgraded to a city, which is in Malay, the Bandaraya Malacca. Look at that, guys. We can see the ocean there, and right there up to the right is the beach of Kelebang, which I've shown you. We had coconut shake and the horse ride. And in front of this hotel is this what call it, Putra Specialist Hospital. It's a private hospital, and yeah, basically you can see the whole of Malacca, at least on this side of the city. Not sure about the other side of this hotel because the rooms are facing each other, but at least if you want this kind of view, check in or request for room number 22. Doesn't matter which floor you are at. If you are looking for, if you ask for room number 22, you will get this kind of view. The higher, I think, is the better. So there, over there is the Makota Parade. Is it? I think so. So at night I will see the carousel, the wheel going round and round. Hopefully it has lightings so that the video would be interesting, you know. So let's get to our dinner. So I've just paid 2 ringgits to park at this car park. So I'm just gonna show you the front of this place, yeah. Okay guys, those new outlets will call you up to have dinner at their places, but this is the real thing. You just walk right to the end and you will find the real thing. So here is the real thing. If you come to Umbai, you have to come to this place right at the end of those food outlets, okay? And you just queue up. Here is how the system works. You find a table and then you queue up and you just pick your choice of the fish and all of this marvelous seafood over here. As you can see, they are very fresh. Now, upon completing your ordering, they will give you this checklist which you will bring to the counter to make your payment at the end of the day. Here comes our order, which is white plain rice, 2 plates of grilled cockles, some fruits as the appetizer, and these are the dippings for the grilled cockles, and squids fried like tempura, and of course cucumbers and sambal belacan, another plate of those grilled cockles, and kailan, yes, and prawns cooked in butter, another plate of plain rice for my son. Oh yes, not forgetting our drinks. You must have these iced drinks because they are so refreshing. So here is the star of the show, the grilled stingray. We're not going to get the big one. We didn't get the big one, I mean, because we have lots of those squids and prawns to finish up, so we don't want to waste. So let's dig in. Let me try this marvelous squid fried in tempura style, which is marvelous. Yep. And my son agrees with me. And how about this prawns that is cooked in butter? So let me show you the real way to enjoy this kind of prawns. You just dismantle the head and the whole thing goes into my mouth, and you just crunch it because it's so crunchy. So 3/4 of the way during our dinner, everybody is munching slower than before because actually we are pushing all of this to each other because everybody is too filled. So do remember, please do not over order because this is what's going to happen. We got lots to finish but we can't. So this is my son demonstrating how to enjoy your prawn the sissy and girly way, and this is how I do it. Just take the whole lot and just munch half of it in my mouth, and next just put it all, yeah, just like that. So we have just finished all of our dinner, and yeah, there are some leftovers which we tried but we failed to finish. So while digesting all of those nice dinner, let's have a glance of these fisherman boats, which some of it is used to transport visitors from the mainland to Pulau Besar, which means the big island, and that over there is the way how to go there. The boats will go past down there. So Pulau Besar is actually an island which is quite secluded. They have some resorts over there and you can find peacefulness. As I've mentioned, it is secluded. So how do you go there? You just contact the numbers on the signboard here, make an appointment, make your booking, and these wonderful boats will bring you there. Okay guys, thank you for joining me. I'll see you again in the future.